Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to grill chicken out on the grill using a recipe that I really enjoy doing. So I hope you enjoy it. And what you'll need is some chicken breast and some Italian dressing. I got the Zesty Robusto from Wishbone. Give it a little bit of zing. I like a little bit of zing in my food, if you haven't noticed on some of the stuff that I make. So the first thing you're gonna need is, for the first part, is 2 Ziplock bags, gallon size. And so let me show you how to get this first part started, and then we'll finish out on the grill later. So first part, we're gonna get these chicken breasts set up for the marinade. You're gonna let them sit overnight, so you'll next time. So this will be a 2-day video, over a 2-day video. So well, let's get this chicken going here. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is open up this packaged chicken. I've already washed my hands, so my hands are gonna be clean. You want to make sure, since you're touching raw chicken, to wash your hands afterwards too. So what we'll do here, get your chicken open, and we'll take the Ziploc bags and put 3 pieces of chicken in there already. Get it in here, and so that's good. And I forgot to do one important thing here. I like to occasionally take a fork and stab the chicken a little bit. It helps it get inside there. So what I'm going to do here is get that chicken all stabbed up and in there. Alright. Help with the getting the marinade inside. Alright, go ahead and throw these in the bag. Okay, and put this over here. Let me wash my hands real quick. Alright, now you want to definitely make sure that you're washing your hands when you touch raw chicken. Be very careful so you don't spread sickness. So the next thing we're going to do is open up, shake these bottles up here, and we're going to open them up here. And I just like to squeeze the whole bottle in there. Alright. Get that whole bottle in there for the 3. So get it all mixed, and make sure your Ziploc bag is locked up in here. You know, get your chicken all coated, and let your air out. That just smells good. Alright. Get your bag zipped up again. Then you'll just take this and put it in the refrigerator. Let it sit overnight. You can do this about an hour or 30 minutes before you cook them. But I like to let it sit overnight at least. Let it get a good, get the flavor in there good. Alright, well I'll see you guys tomorrow when I start the cooking. Okay guys, it's the next day. Oh man, I'm getting ready to put the chicken on the grill. So I already got the charcoal hot and ready to go. So we're gonna put on the chicken here and gonna let it cook. So as you guys see that I put 3 breasts in a bag here. Let it sit overnight in the yeah, so we'll just get it all laid in here on the grill. This is about the messiest part. It's taking it out and putting it on the grill. This is going to taste really good when it's done. Let's get it all on here. And definitely let it sit on here. Probably cook for about 30 minutes, and we'll flip it over and let it cook some more to make sure the chicken cooks all the way through, because you don't want to eat chicken that's not fully cooked. You get sick that way. Okay guys, well I'm gonna let this cook here. Put the grill back on here, put the lid on, and let it cook. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, it's been about 30 minutes. So I'm going to flip this chicken over, and then we're going to cook it on the other side. Let's take a look at it here. We'll get the biggest piece here. Oh. Yeah. I might flip it back over later, but that is turning out nicely. Well, we'll get these things flipped over and get some more. Get it cooking some more. Now these are, that piece is turning out real good. So I might flip that around over there. Alright. There we go. Yeah. Alright. Now we're gonna let that sit for a little bit longer. Now that we got it all flipped over and cooked. So we'll see in about 30 more minutes. Okay guys, let me give this a little test here. I'm going to take this big piece here. That one looks the best right here. Now I'm going to go in and eat inside a little bit because it's a hot day out here. But I just wanted to try this chicken here for you out here. So, a little test, see how it went. Oh yeah, it's cooked all the way through. Smells really good. Really tastes good. Nice and moist too. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of my videos, and also take the time to watch some of my other videos. I do a lot of cooking videos, sightseeing stuff, and adventure type things here around Western North Carolina and stuff like that in the area. So alright, well, I'll see you guys later.